Hey, what's up everybody? Today I picked top NFT projects that have a lot of potential to shoot up and bring you a lot of money. Right now I'm gonna show them to you. My name is Danny, this is Billionaire Crypto Club. Let's go everybody. Please guys, watch this video till the end because you definitely don't want to miss an important information that I'm gonna show and share with you, a good tips about NFT collections. Stay tuned, and also this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research and do everything on your own and manage your risks. So please be smart with your investment, and let's go to this NFT project. So the first project I'm gonna show you is called White Rabbit. It's basically in my opinion it's a cool project that I'm definitely gonna try to mint it. They have 8,765 total NFTs, and the pre-sale is gonna be for 0.06 Ethereum and the actual sale is gonna be for 0.08 Ethereum. The first pre-sale is gonna go and gonna be this Monday, January 17th, and the actual sale is gonna be on the Wednesday, January 19th. I'm gonna show you their Twitter, and they only have 5,500 followers, which is not bad, and I think they will definitely sell out because as you could see, the activity is definitely not bad for this project. I like the NFTs itself because it's a 3D model, which is really good and pretty rare for now because most of the NFTs are 2D and I don't like that. On the Discord, they have 24,000 followers. On their website, the creators are promising us that the 10% that are sold, basically 10 rabbits, 10 additional NFTs, will be raffled between 10 of the lucky winners. This is cool because if you're lucky enough, you will get an extra NFT for free. 5 holders will get a chance to basically talk to the creator, the chief art director of the actual project. Will have a chance to create one-to-one NFT. So basically we'll have a chance to create your own NFT, do any design that you like. This is really cool, and if you do a cool design in the future that could be really good and have a lot of potential, that it could sell for a lot more than you basically minted it. Also, the cool thing that they donating the money to the church, and they will donate 50% of the NFTs that are sold, so the amount 50% of that they will donate to church. Also a good thing about this project. Also a cool thing that somebody will get 10 Ethereum giveaway. Imagine 10 Ethereum for free if you mint and spend $200-300. As in my opinion, this is really good, and getting 10 Ethereum for free as an airdrop, who's gonna say no to that, right? They're gonna have apparel, and they're gonna launch the merch, so the holders of the NFT will be able to get the merch for free, which is really cool, and you could also resell it. And from the merch, from the third-party partnership, you will be making passive income, which is not bad at all. It's not gonna be a lot of money, but passive income is always good, and if you get like extra 200-300 a week from doing nothing, why not, right? That's cool. And also in the future they're gonna be launching more NFT projects and more collections. The holders will be able to mint them first. Also, if you don't mint it on time, you have a great chance, because sometimes if the project launches and it has the potential, but the potential could open up in the future, which is not bad at all, because sometimes you have an opportunity to buy it for less than the mint price. So basically, if the project launched and it didn't go as it was planned, but in the future you think that it has potential and you believe in this project, you could buy the NFT for less. So basically right now the pre-sale, or like the actual sale, is 0.08 Ethereum. But if it doesn't launch and do good in the beginning, but you believe in this project, you could buy it on OpenSea or on any marketplace where it's gonna be selling for less. For example, you could buy it for 0.2 Ethereum, and in the future you'll get those exact same opportunities that everybody else will get, but you will spend less money. So that's good in my opinion. Let's move on to the second project. The second project is called Wasted Whales. It's a really cool project in my opinion. I definitely want one, and I will try to mint it. The price is not that high, it's only 0.069 Ethereum, and the total is 800. That's a good thing because they don't have that many. The mint is gonna be going and happening on this Tuesday, January 18th. This is their Twitter, and on Twitter they have 2,400 followers right now, and the activity is definitely not bad at all. For the 800, it's not bad. So I'm definitely gonna be trying to mint one because I really want one, and I will show you their website. So this is their website, and it's called the Wasted Whales because as you could see, this whale with the hookah. I love hookah, so that's really cool, and the drawing is actually, I like it. So they're gonna have 4 different types of NFTs, and they're gonna have one with associated with weed, alcohol, shrooms, and ether. In my opinion, this is dope. As you could see right here, a baked whale with the joint in his hand, and this guy with shrooms and the enlightenment call. This is a cool drawing. This guy with Jack Daniels throwing up in the ocean. In my opinion, this is a cool project, and this is a rich guy, loaded guy, so it has a lot of potential. And in the future they are gonna have 3 more collections. So this is just the first one, and the first collection is called Wasted Whales. The second collection is gonna be called Wasted After Party. They also gonna have the third collection that is gonna be the Blackout. So why you want to be in this project is because basically it's a limited supply. They only have 800 whales, and I think this is going to be sold out in a second. Not in a second, but it's going to be sold out very quick, because basically they giving you opportunity to earn a passive income. All 100% of the royalty they would get on a resale, they're gonna give it to you basically. So if people resale those NFTs, you will get the 100% of the royalty, so which is not bad at all. And if this project goes very well, definitely the price is gonna shoot up a lot, and you will get the 100% of royalties, which is gonna be great for you. So also, this is the hand-drawn art. The art director, it was a good guy who created those cool NFTs. I think this is gonna be a successful project for them. And in the future you'll be able to also get more collections, which I think is gonna be good just for holding, just to collect those NFTs and have it in your wallet, because I'm pretty sure they might give you an airdrop as well, because they have a limited supply. It's a good opportunity to go into this project. I will definitely try to mint one, and I like their website, how they created it. Everything is moving, everything is sparkling, and in my opinion this is a good project. The third project is basically called Mythverse, and they have 8,888 total supply. They're gonna have the pre-sale for 0.066 Ethereum and the actual sale for 0.88 Ethereum. The first pre-sale is gonna be on this Wednesday, January 19th, and the actual sale is gonna be the next day. So you definitely don't want to miss this opportunity. Why I think this project is good, I will show you right now. This is their Twitter, and they have 12.4k followers, and the activity is not great, but I think this is a good project, and I will tell you why right now. Activity doesn't tell you everything, but it tells you something about the project. I will show you their website. As you could see, the website, this is a 3D model, and the website is made pretty cool in my opinion. So I will tell you a good stuff that they gonna give you, holder of their NFT. So the creators of this website, of this NFT, they promising you that after you mint this, in a couple of days after you become a holder of the NFT, they will give you an airdrop. We don't know how much they're gonna give you and what exactly they're gonna give you. They probably gonna give the token of the project, which is not listed anywhere yet. This is a good thing about it. Basically, they're gonna give you their token of the project, and also they saying that after this they might do another airdrop, so you have a chance of getting 2 airdrop. And the second airdrop is gonna be basically either the token, or they're gonna give you basically a lottery ticket to win the pieces of the NFT. So in my opinion, this is gonna be like a lottery where you could win pieces and then evolve it into one NFT. This is what I think. So another cool thing is that basically they're gonna be launching their token, because they're gonna have a play to earn game, which is really good because you become an early holder. So the price of the NFT once the game is launches, it's definitely gonna go up if the project is good, because people gonna start playing this game, and if the tokenomics is good as well, it's gonna definitely go up a lot, and you will be able to make 10x's, 15, 20x's on this NFT. So basically this is gonna be a game, so that's why in my opinion this is a good project, and I will try to mint one as well, because I want to become a first holder of it, the first one to be in line, as I said, and play this game, because you're gonna, as an early buyer, you're gonna be the first one to try the game. So this is a good thing. And also you will be mining the MYTH, that's their token name. You will be mining the token of their project, which is probably gonna go up as well, because the project is just launched and it's gonna go up and up and up, so you'll be making money on that as well. So let's slowly move on to the fourth project. This project is called Hotel Metaverse Land Sale. So they're gonna have 5,000 total. And the good thing about it is just because there are gonna be different types of hotels that you could buy, and the cheapest one is gonna be 250 BUSD, and the most expensive one is gonna be 23,000 BUSD. Let's go to their Twitter and check it out. So they have 72,000 followers, which is insanely good because they only have 5,000 hotels that are gonna be on sale, and their activity is also very good. Every post gets hella likes, a lot of comments, a lot of reposts, retweets, and this project is definitely gonna be big, so you don't want to miss this opportunity to be the first one to buy and start mining the token. So this is their website where they explain what they're gonna do is that they're gonna have the play to earn game where you'll be able to build the hotels and mine the token. So basically after staking you will be earning more tokens of the project, and if the project is gonna be good, the price of the token is gonna go up and up, and you will be making money on that as well. So you'll have the community chat where you could chat with other players, with other holders of this NFT, and communicate with them, share your knowledge. So this is a really good opportunity, so you don't want to miss this. I might go in this project. I will try and see how it goes. After the sale I might go on the marketplace and try to look for NFT that people flip, and maybe the price is going to be lower. If that's the case, I will definitely buy this NFT and start playing this game because I see a lot of opportunity and I see a lot of potential in it. And we could see that the Twitter is growing and they already have 72 people watching their project. This is a good thing about it. Guys, keep this project in mind. You don't want to miss this opportunity. So let's go to the last project for this video, and this is, in my opinion, the best project. So it's called Ape Lab. I like the drawing a lot. It's a 3D as well, so this plays a big role in NFT because 2D, it's not hyped anymore as it was before. Right now it's 3D models, so it looks better, and also people have more attention to it. So they're gonna have 8,000 total for 0.09 Ethereum this Thursday, January 20. Let's go to the Twitter. So the Twitter has 18.4k followers. The activity is really good. It's for this project is insanely good. As you could see, their posts get a lot of likes, a lot of retweets, a lot of comments, and people actually want those NFTs. This is their website. As you could see, it's made really cool. In my opinion, this is a really good website and they put a lot of work into it, and it's pretty hard to create something like this where you move your mouse and it follows your mouse. And let's go to their roadmap and see what they actually tell about and what they promise us. So basically this is another galaxy, and you're gonna be minting NFTs from aliens where they will get a companion. They're gonna give you, they promise that they're gonna give it to you for free. So basically for the holders, 8,000 companions gonna be given to you. After this, after you get the companion, you will also get an NFT of the Coke. So basically they're gonna have cans, they're gonna have bottles, and they're gonna have barrels, and you will be giving them those drinks and they will be drinking Coke. And after this they will mutate into something else, in another NFT that might be even better than the previous one. Also, they saying that they're gonna give you loot. Basically they saying that they're gonna give you gum, booger, and a bazooka and other things. They're gonna have 300 traits, and later on for this loot you will be able to exchange it to the Ape Lab token. So after this, after you get the token, you will be able to stake it and earn passive income. But you gotta be careful on that, because if the project is not gonna go as it was planned to go, the price of the token could go down and you could lose money on this, because if the price of token goes down, NFT's price gonna go down as well. So be careful on that. Always do your own research on everything. And the last thing for this project is that they're gonna launch a game. So basically after you collected everything, after you have so many NFTs and tokens of the project, you will have to play a game, play to earn game, which will bring you money as well. In my opinion, this is a really cool project which I'm gonna go in definitely, because I like the drawing and I like the idea of the creators to do everything as it was planned, like give you NFTs, give you tokens, give you staking period, at the end give you game as well, which is really good money. And you could make, in my opinion, you could make there like $20,000-$30,000 just from one project. So I hope it's gonna go as planned and we will be making a lot of money. and become rich with you guys. This was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, follow our channel, and share this with your friends, and leave the comments. Please let me know what else you guys want to see, and let me know if you like those videos, and I will be making more collections for you so you don't have to spend your time and looking for one. So thank you so much for watching. Billionaire Crypto Club was with you today. See you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.